What's up, guys? I'm Boo Carlisle. Welcome back to another episode of Kicking Asphalt. It is finally here. It is finally Street Stock Nationals weekend. Today is Friday, day one, practice day. See if we can't get that bright fluorescent orange B00 to get around this Dillon Motor Speedway. So got a lot to get in here. So got parked last night. If you hadn't watched the other video getting over here and getting parked and all that, go do it right now. Before you pop the top on that cold beer, go back, watch the other video, then watch this video. All right, Mama Judy, what you got there? Gonna be doing some cooking for us this weekend?
I don't know, we'll see.
What you got today, some beanie weenies?
We're gonna do some little smokies.
Little smokies to feed us today, us and the Meredith Motorsports team.
Yeah.
How many four cylinders? Legends. It drove a long way down here. You know, Bangor, Maine? Yep, a long way to go. I used to drive for a man named Ricky Craven that was from Bangor, Maine. I went up there one time and all we did was ride snowmobiles.
Made it through the driver's meeting. Finally got my wristband. We'll get this bittersweet unloaded. I got bittersweet unloaded. Winch wouldn't work. Couldn't get it to work. Had to unroll it the old school way by hand. There's his first bright look at the Dillon Motor Speedway. We've got to leave these F50s on here. These old tires from Florence. Won't be no transponder times today, so just a quick look at the 4/10 mile of Dillon Motor Speedway. Got a transponder for the weekend, $100 entry fee. Fill this out, turn it in, W9. Hopefully we'll have $2,500 come Sunday night. Fred giving it a good shine job. Fred with his OSHA approved safe banner hanging mechanism. OSHA ain't got nothing to do with short track racing. Broke Bones does though. Good balancing act. Teammate Meredith rolling out next door. Running the late model, limited late model challenge, or whatever you want to call it, race this weekend. 75 laps, 1,500 to win. Fred's still working on his Kicking Asphalt banner. Mama Judy's Catering got a good spread going on right now. Plenty of Slim Jims and some Yoo-Hoos over there for us to eat. Got them little smokies. What you got on tap for tomorrow, Mama? People want to come by.
Not for sure yet. So we just have to wait and see.
Go on, pile that barbecue sauce in there and let them see.
We
Got a little grape jelly there?
We got grape jelly, we got brown sugar, we got Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue, and this is what we use at Chateau Lawn.
Chateau Lawn approved. Fancy Nancy here at the short track. We're getting ready for first practice. I think we're going to set this one out and just see what it's all about. I ain't been here but one time. I really want to go look and see what the line is and just not go out there blind. So we're going to set the first practice out, go out the second practice. So race monitor will not be working today. So we ain't got no way to try. You got to do it the old school way of the stopwatch.
Tire rod broke.
Alright, second round's about to roll up. We'll go on and get in line over there. Hurry up, be one of the first ones out. That way we don't have to sit over there. It's a little warm today. So that's good. At least we ain't freezing here. So let's go see what we got. Hope we ain't got too much gear. Figure it out here in a second. pump belt off. Luckily, was pulling in when I noticed it, and the water temperature started shooting high. So got to go get a water pump belt now. But our time would we'd have qualified 16th last year, so that's very, very promising. I felt like I left a 10th on the track. So hopefully I get through 1 and 2 a little bit better. Feel like I'm coming off 3 and 4. Real glad I went with that gear. Plenty of torque off the corner, so hopefully it'll go good. Like I said, y'all know we've been worried about getting in that top 20 and qualifying tomorrow, but our fastest lap in that practice would have been 16th, so might sleep a little easier tonight. Looks like our pulleys are on the line. Upgrade our radio system a little bit. We went and seen Ricky Adams at Trackside Communications. We got a bunch of goodies for this year, so more radios. We're diving deeper into this racing thing.
This one slides over it. And this one here, this one screws off. And that, you can drill a small hole. This part off. Yeah. We took this part off, and when they put it back on, it got cross screwed. And they kept.
Real happy with the way practice ended today. Big thank you to GXS Wraps for a good looking wrap. Taylor Satterfield with Maverick Steel Building, and of course Volt battery. So what we're about to do right now, we got our new Volt AGM battery where you can get them for your race car or your street car. Hey, you can be just like the B00 and the 36 next to us with the Volt battery. Let's get this thing changed out so we know we won't have no trouble, no problems. Get us some tires. Get 6 race tires, $240, $40 a piece mounted. Had one of our big tires looked like it'd been through a cheese grater, so I come back over here and asked them, could I get another one? They told me I could. So looks like we got a tire from Berlin Speedway, I guess 24S. Might be Salowich, wheel Byron, I don't know, I can't remember. But a lot better tire than what we had. Well, finally got our tires mounted. Real happy with the way today went. We got to go get a water pump belt somewhere now, so it's still a little early, but it done got dark on us quick, so getting everything loaded up for the end of practice day. Get ready for a big day tomorrow, qualifying, taking the top 20 in qualifying. So I think there's like 46 cars here from what I heard. The race monitor was not on today, so we don't have no official results, but excited, you know, actually got a shot at the top 20. So this place ain't never been a strong suit of mine, but hopefully we're turning that around. So go find us a water pump belt, find some cold beer to drink, and give it our best tomorrow. So thank you very much for watching. If you can make it out to Dillon Motor Speedway, hey, come see us, buy a t-shirt, you know, drink cold beer with us. But if not, Racing America, I know if you watched any other videos, I said it was $9.99 subscription. I think it ended up being I want to say it's $19.99 for Saturday, $24.99 for Sunday. So don't be a cheapskate. That's what it's gonna cost for you sitting in the grandstands. You know, just buy it. It's a great production they put on. So just skip going to Applebee's one Tuesday night so you can watch a race on Sunday. Eat a bologna sandwich. But other than that, y'all know what to do. Hit the like button. Drop us a comment. We're working hard. Let us know if we're. If you think we're lazy, hell, tell us we're lazy. But like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll catch you on qualifying day. We're going top 20. Take care.